gathered here, respected dignitaries and the dais, and my dear participants. Today I am going to share my views on the topic Youth Against Corruption. As a young mind, when I come across the articles and clippings regarding corruption, the first thing that hits my mind is, why is this greed for illegitimate money and power? Yes, I am one of the young minds against corruption. What is corruption? The abuse of interested power for their personal gain is corruption. Not only a single phenomenon, but creates a chain reaction that worsens the society. According to Transparency International report, India ranked 85th place of 190 in the list of corrupted countries. Is this a good sign? Absolutely not. I believe the saying that the corruption is another type of tyranny. There are many forms of corruption, such as bribery, black marketing, deliberately increasing the price, selling expensive by bringing cheap goods, extortion, nepotism, parochialism, patronage, etc., etc. The youth of the nation is the trustees of prosperity. These points of Benjamin Franklin truly justifies that the youth are the backbone of our country for its development. No country can expect its better future if it is filled with crime and corruption. Corruption has now spread deep into the society and has become very strong due to its many roots. Technology plays a vital role in reduce corruption in a great degree. Direct benefit transfers, it's one of its innovation. Digitalization is an essential key to reduce corruption in upcoming days. Prime thing is we as youth should be aware of the measures and institutions against corruption. Former UN Secretary General Kofi Annan says, if corruption is a disease, transparency is an essential part of its treatment. Indian Ombudsman Lokpal and Lok Ayuktas provide simple, cheap, speedy services to people fight against corruption. How many of us know about Whistleblower Act that enables any person to report corruption with the full misuse of power or discretion or criminal offense? It also protects the whistleblower exposing alleged wrongdoing. We all know that corruption cannot be justified, but it is normalized. Everyone is beating around the bush against corruption, but of no use. Corruption has now spread deep into the society. It destroys and damages the society of a nation and development of a country. Nowadays, corruption is found everywhere and on everything. So, my dear friends, be aware, be informed, be present. Fight the social evil corruption. Thank you for this precious opportunity and thank you one and all.